In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Amex gift card on Xbox. Whether you're eager to snag the latest game or just use up that gift card balance, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. First, you'll want to start by heading over to xbox.com. This is where we'll initiate our journey. It's always a good idea to use a desktop browser to ensure you access all features conveniently. Once you're on the site, take a moment to navigate around and familiarize yourself if you haven't already. Next, browse the store and select the item you're interested in purchasing. This could be a game, an add-on, or even a subscription. As you explore the various options, keep in mind which ones fit both your interest and your budget, especially considering the balance available on your gift card. Once you've made your choice, add the item to your cart. You can do this by clicking on the cart icon, typically located at the top right corner of the web page. This will lead you into a summary of what you plan to buy. With the item now in your cart, it's time to think about payment. Locate and click on the option that says Get Started. Add a way to pay. This is important in setting up your payment method smoothly. Xbox will present you with several ways to pay. Among these options, choose the one that lets you opt for a gift card. This is where your Amex gift card comes into play. Now, carefully enter your gift card number. Ensure that the number is input exactly as it appears on the card to avoid any transaction issues. It's worth double checking the number you've entered before moving forward. After you're sure it's correct, proceed by clicking Save. This secures the information you just set up, ensuring your gift card is now available as a payment method. Lastly, proceed to check out. You should see a button or an option that allows you to complete your purchase using the methods you've set up. Before confirming, make sure that your order summary reflects what you want to buy and that it includes any applicable gift card balance. Press confirm or finalize the purchase as indicated, and that's it. Your purchase should process utilizing your Amex gift card balance. And there you have it. Your Amex gift card is now successfully set up and used for your Xbox purchase. It's a straightforward process once you've done it a few times, and with these clear, guided steps, you should have no trouble at all. Enjoy your purchase and gaming experience on Xbox. And as always, happy gaming.